Okay, so in this video, we're gonna look at when we multiply or divide numbers in standard form. Now, it's a little bit easier than adding and subtracting, just like multiplying fractions is easier than adding and subtracting fractions because we have less like things to do and things to worry about. So in this case, we have two numbers that are in standard form, and I can actually just do them in part. They would not always put the brackets here. We don't need the brackets, but yeah, we can do this times this. So 2 times 3.3 is going to be 6.6. And then we know the normal indice rules. If I have 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 7, I'm basically just adding the 3 and the 7. So that would be 10. And just always check that your final answer is in standard form. So in this case, it does work out because there's only one digit there. So that's for multiplication. I mean, they can only give you maybe more tricky numbers to multiply here, and you might have to use your little method on the side to do that. But basically, just remembering that we're adding these numbers to this number, that would be fine. So for the division, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. So if I had, in this case, I have 9.3 divided by 3.1, so that would be 3 times, so because this divided by this, this would just be 3. And then I have 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 4. So it's going to be 6 minus 4. So that's just going to be 2. So that's pretty straightforward. And in this one has a little bit of a trick involved. So I have 1.2 times 10 to the power of 10 divided by 3 times 10 to the power of 4. And I know 1.2 divided by 3, it's maybe tricky, but I know 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. So in this case, I'll have 0.4 because I know 0.4 times 3 is going to be 1.2. And this part is just going to be the 10 minus the 4. So 10 minus 4. If you don't really know what's going on here, you should watch the videos on indices. But 10 minus 4 is going to be 6. But there's a catch here. This is not standard form, so I'm going to have to make this a 4. So the 0.4 has to go a little bit bigger to be 4. You can make 4.0, but 4 is going to be fine. So I'm actually multiplying by 10 here, and then I'm going to divide by 10 this little part here. So it's going to be 1 less. And that's my final answer. Cool. So that's pretty much it. In the next video, there's a worksheet. I'll put a worksheet link in the description below, and then you can go through those past paper examples, and then I'll make a video on actually the memo for that.